news, my lovely, wonderful people. Not be small thing, no. Tinubu APC presidential campaign amasses 22.5 billion naira old notes in Kano for secret swap with new naira notes to perfect vote buying. PDP reveals all. So Tinubu has already arranged for 22.5 billion. Okay, so what he has done with the loyalists, people like Ganduje, people like Rufai, those ones have been given good amounts of money, those governors that are for him. Okay, and that's why you see that the swap, it's not being swapped. The old naira notes, for them to swap it is becoming difficult because some governors have called and have given notice. Make sure nothing touch that thing. Don't give it to anybody. So these are some of the things that are going on. And so when genuine Nigerians come, there is no money. So this one now has been discovered, 22.5 billion stash, of old naira notes. This is what is going on in this country. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Tinubu APC presidential campaign amasses 22.5 billion naira old notes in Kano for secret swap with new naira notes to perfect vote buying, PDP alleges. The party alerts the security agencies and the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, of the activities of APC leaders, which is bringing untold hardship on Nigerians. The PDP, the People Democratic Party, PDP, has said that it uncovered an alleged plot by the APC, All Progressive Congress APC leaders, by its presidential candidate, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to exchange 22.5 billion naira stash old notes in Kano for new notes to carry out vote buying during the general election. The PDP, in a statement by its spokesman, Dabo, said information available to the party revealed that the criminal act of APC was responsible for the biting cash scarcity and was being coordinated in the Northwest region by two APC state governors, El-Rufai and Ganduje. The statement reads, the PDP has been made aware that the 22.5 billion in old naira note of 1,000 was allegedly kept in a Kano state government facility before being moved to a particular old generate and a certain new generation bank where the regional head were connected by the APC presidential campaign to swap the old naira note for new ones. Further information revealed the cash is being warehoused at the Tinubu campaign for vote buying in Kano, Kaduna, Bauchi, Jigawa, Sokoto State. A particular APC state governor is reported to have taken delivery of 500 billion new naira notes to actualize this vote buying as well. Also, there is intelligence that arrangement has been concluded by APC leaders to move a substantial part of the old naira note from Kano to Lagos State between today and tomorrow for the purpose of swapping them for the new naira notes for the people instead of the people getting this money. It would be recalled that PDP had earlier alerted Nigerians that corrupt APC leaders are compromising the system to mop up the new naira notes. So this is what is happening right now, my people. They found that Tinubu and the rest of them are doing what they can do to ensure that they are the ones in charge. They are doing what they could do, okay? And the governors from the region are supporting them. These governors are also helping them. The likes of El-Rufai, the likes of Ganduje. These are the people who are making it possible. Why, Tinubu, the swap of the naira note and all that is going on is being hashed and orchestrated, so that they can get enough money, new naira note, to be able to do what they need to do. Well, Nigerians, you are seeing, you are hearing, you know what's going on. Please don't fall a victim again. Please, we should not fall a victim again. The English adage says, once beaten, twice shy. Once beaten, twice shy. I'll say it for the third time. Once beaten, twice shy. Can we truly, sincerely ensure that the right things are being done? That we do not leave things to chance? Can we truly stand up for what we believe? Can we truly not allow the same people over and over again to take over that which belongs to us? If we do not arise and we leave things, okay, and we leave things, just the way they are, we will be at the resultant part of it. We may not be able to truly, okay, we may not be able to truly get all that we truly deserve and desire. And so it is important, it is high time that every single one of us, okay, get the truth, and we do not allow the same thing to hold us down. Nigerians, wake up. Nigerians, wake up. Every time we have an opportunity, for a change, and we do nothing, these people will take advantage of it. Every time we have an opportunity for a change and we just sit down there and we do not speak, then we leave, we leave ourselves. And whatever happened, we cannot complain to anybody because we allowed it. We allowed it. Okay, so it is what it is. And so if we all really want to see a change, if we want to drastically move from where we are to where we ought to be, then every single hands must be on deck. Every one of us must begin to understand, the perils of what is on ground and begin to take advantage of what we should be taking advantage of. So at the end of the day, truly, sincerely speaking, we can all, get a headway and become what we need to be. Okay, the issue right now and all that is going on is, and these are clear indications, of manipulations and things that have been on ground for quite a while now. They say they want to be president. Every single 18 of them. Have you done your own background check on them? Have you become an FBI to know them? Because we need to know them. You can't just, leave such people and just leave them like that and just no. Look at what we did with Buhari. We allowed Buhari, see where we are. We are where we are because of the decisions we made. So we can make better decisions to change and to to move this nation in the right direction. We can make those decisions. Yes, we can. We can make those decisions and we can make it together. So please, let's do what is right by us. Let's do what is right and needed to bring us to where we ought to be. Okay, Nigerians, let's do everything possible. Bye for now.